Okay, I'm going to talk you through level 1 here. So x e 2x dx. It's a multiplication one. U is the easier one. dv by dx is the harder one. Differentiate your u. I like writing that as e to the 2x dx. You must have the derivative in front, so balance it outside. Then the derivative disappears and you're back to that. Once you've got those bits, you just put them into your formula, uv minus v du by dx. Just sub everything in. Let's look at this bit. Bring your half outside. I'm now going to integrate this. You must have the derivative in front, so balance it by a half. And then tidy it up. Part 2. You've got the integral of 1 minus 2x sine x. So it's a product rule. U is the easier one. dv by dx is the other one. Differentiate this and integrate this. Now, where did sine come from? Do you remember? Cos goes to minus sine. So you've got to have a minus there, balance outside. So it's going to go back to minus cos x. Now you've all your wee bits, sub it into your formula. uv minus your v du by dx. Now if you tidy all this up, you get minus, minus, minus. 3 minuses is a minus. 2, bring out the integral sign. And you've got cos x. Where did cos x come from? Well, sine goes to cos, derivatives in front, you just go back to sine. And this bit doesn't need integrate, it's done. Okay, question 2. So you've got 2xe minus 3x dx. U is the easier one. dv by dx is the harder one. So differentiate this, you get 2. Integrate this. Before you integrate this, you must have the derivative in front. Balance it outside. Now that minus a third sits there, derivative disappears, and you're back to that. Then you take your wee bits and pieces, and you put it into your uv as part of the formula. So your u, your v, minus your v, your du by dx, and then dx. So that bit just sits all the time. Tidy this up, so minus 2 outside the integral. Where did sine come from? A cos goes to a minus sign, so you need a minus in there, balance outside by another minus. 2 minus outside is a plus 2. This goes back to your cos x, and then just sub in your values there. Oh, sorry, I just realised I just talked you through part 2 there. Oh dear. Right, anyway, I'll just finish off part 1. So your u, your v, minus your v du by dx. Just tidying up all your wee bits and pieces. You've got to integrate this again. So you must have your derivative in front and balance it outside. Now, this here tidies up to minus 2/9. The integration signs disappear when you integrate. Goes back to your e, derivative disappears. Put in your 1 and your 0. And I've already talked you through part 2 there.